In this video I'm going to show you how to log out of Telegram remotely from all devices at once. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Telegram and here at the bottom hit on Settings. Now there tap at Devices. And there would be the list of all your devices. On the top is your current device, as you see that is iPhone 11, and below would be the list of all your other devices. And if you want to log out on some specific device, all you have to do is make a swipe to the left and there hit on Terminate and terminate session. And if you want to log out from all the devices at once, all you have to do is to hit there at terminate all other sessions and there hit on terminate all other sessions. Now you have been logged out from all your devices except current device. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.